The Bas Ein was a Chassidish Rebbe, I think about 170 years ago, somewhere in, I think in Russia. On Shabbos, a Meshulach came from Eretz Yisrael. Back then it was a big deal. Somebody comes from Eretz Yisrael, the whole town comes to join and sit with him on Shabbos. Not like today, 5-hour flight. So the whole town is eating with him on Shabbos. Shabbos means, and they tell him, so tell us, how is it to live in Eretz Yisrael? And this fellow lived in Sfat. He says to him, do you know, living in Eretz Yisrael, you feel the Kedusha. Tell us. And he tells them, 15, 20 minutes away, I go to Reb Shimon Bar Yochai. Really? That close? Wow. Tell us more. He says, I take the bus, take the train. A few hours. I'm in Yerushalayim HaKodesh. I can go to the Koisel. Wow. I can go to Merat HaMachpelah. I can visit Avraham, Yitzchak, and Yaakov. Wow. Tell us more. And he told them more and more. But at one point he ran out of things to say. What else can he say? And they keep pushing him. Tell us more. How is it to live in Eretz Yisrael? He didn't have what to say. So he had to come up with something. So he says, Eretz Yisrael is so amazing. It's not like here, he says to them, there's no pebbles on the ground, there's no stones. It's only precious stones. Wherever you walk, there's precious stones. He says, really? Said, yeah, that's how it is. The Rebbe over there, the Bas Ein, Rebbe Avraham Dov Marovitch, always wanted to make Aliyah. But this was the straw that broke the camel's back. Motzei Shabbos, he packed his bag and he moved to Eretz Yisrael. He moved to Tzfat. Ad hayom hazeh, his shul is there. He moved to Tzfat and he's loving it. A few weeks later, he meets this Meshulach. He also lives in Tzfat. He says to him, everything you said, it's exactly so. It's amazing, this place. Just one thing, I gotta ask you. What's up with those precious stones you talked about? Where are they? Meshulach got stuck. Quick thinking. He says, Rebbe, well, not everybody is Zoiche. The Rebbe took this as a message from Shamayim. He went into his house, he locked the door. He didn't leave for a year. He was working on himself. After a year, he opened the doors. He called the entire town, a big Kiddush, and people came over. What's going on? A new grandson? A mitzvah? A wedding? What's the Kiddush for? He says, a year ago, I met this Meshulach and he told me not everybody is Zoiche. He was right. I had to work on myself. And now, Baruch Hashem, I see there are no pebbles, there are no little stones on the ground. Everything is a precious stone. We should be Zoiche Mitzvah Hashem to see the same thing. Everything is precious stones. Beautiful, beautiful diamonds and pearls.